Thank you, Kurkulan. Now I like to call upon Faizat to give your speech.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Faiza Kazi. I am from class 7. Today I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my house on this occasion of Independence Day. This is our 78th Independence Day celebration. Just 78 years ago, we got independence from the British. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which cannot be described in one word. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. 77 years ago, British ruled India. They came to India on the pretext of trade, and gradually took everything under their control and made us their slaves. Then on 6th of August 1947, India became independent after that and back. Many heroes sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. Today is a day of happiness, pride, and thank you. Let's keep the spirit of this day alive every day. Now I am going to end my speech in prayer. Freedom is never here at any time. It is the right of life. What is a man not there always? Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.